Fabulous floor plan, all on one level with huge expandable space up. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, great room with gas log fireplace. Kitchen has island with pot rack lighting, stainless appliances including double range oven, dishwasher, and microwave, 25 cabinets plus pantry, breakfast area and keeping room. All laminate and tile floors. Primary bedroom suite with luxury bath including double sink vanity, Whirlpool tub and separate shower plus large walk-in closet. Screened porch. Newer roof. Storage building in rear yard. Large corner lot on .44 acre,